Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the CRM tools platform, which is OnePageCRM. So let's quickly dive into the review. OnePageCRM is a simple, action-oriented CRM designed for small business and solopreneur. It focuses on helping users prioritize tasks, manage contact, and follow up on lead efficiently, making it easy to turn opportunities into sale. The pros include its intuitive interface, straightforward task management, and quick setup, which keep teams focused and organized. On the downside, it lacks advanced automation, deep analytics, and extensive customization found in large CRMs. Some growing business may find its tools basic as their need expand. So in my opinion, I actually think OnePageCRM works best for small teams seeking a lean, easy-to-use CRM that emphasizes action and productivity. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Don't forget the notification button and subscribe for more review.